What is up, y'all? It is New Year's Day. There's absolutely, excuse the French, fuck all to do. But I haven't watched the Civic or the Mini in literally weeks, months. I'm just here editing videos and checking up on the channel, seeing what we can do. Yeah, I'm gonna fly over to my brother, grab all my washing gear and bring the Civic over and wash it. So yeah, exciting video for you guys. Get to watch me wash the Civic. Maybe the Mini too. So yeah, peace. So yeah, I'm just heading over to my brother's house. He has all my cleaning gear. So anytime I bring my car to a garage, I never use any of the gear that's at a garage because you never know what's in it. People could vandalise the gear that's there. There could be anything in the brushes. So I use their foam stuff if I do, because my power wash is broken and the hose is split, so I need to get a new hose, a new connection and a new jet washer. But there is a garage literally around the corner for me. It's like €6 for a foam wash. So I usually wet the car, wipe it over, foam wash it, and then use my own hand scrubbies, sponges, whatever, and then I use my own detarring gear. Don't mind me, I'm just going around roundabouts. Yeah, I use my own gear, but it's just handy having the power washer and the foamer around there. It's really handy. So yeah, I'm just heading over to grab all that gear from my brother's boo, and then we're gonna go over, before we wash the Civic, we're gonna head over to Aaron and have a look at the 300. He's after getting that stupid big spoiler off it. He doesn't like it. The guy he bought it off, Paul, he really likes the big spoiler, so Aaron took it off. He got it off in one piece, so Paul wants to put that on his car. And yeah, we'll head over and have a look and see if there's any bad rust beneath those side skirts. Right, yo guys, all my cleaning gear I just picked up there. People tell me I'm mad the money I spend on all my cleaning gear, my soaps, my shampoos, the bubbly stuff, all the tar remover. But you know what, the money we spend on our cars, paint work, interior wise, you have to use the best on your car. Like one of these, nice and soft, keep it clean all the time, it will keep your paint work immaculate. And then all the auto glim stuff. And I have to pick up some other stuff from my mate. He started his own business last year. I'm gonna go over and grab a load of gear off him. I think it's that Intens or something like that. But yeah, I'll fly over and grab some nice stuff for the cars, keep them nice and clean, keep the paintwork up to scratch, because the last thing you want to do is damage your paintwork and have to fix it because it's expensive. So let's head over, have a look at this 300ZX that Aaron bought. So Aaron started messing with it there. That's horrible. And he took off the big spoiler but left behind, oh my god, whatever they used to put that on, absolutely brutal. But I don't see any rust or any holes in the boot lid, so it's a good boot lid, good glass. So it is missing wiper, but yeah, it's a start anyway. No heavy rust under there, just dirty, filthy, needs to be sanded down, all taken off. Rear lights are absolutely wanked, they need to go, new ones put in. But there is a lovely exhaust on the car, Scorpion make, so obviously UK brand exhaust, which is really good. Yeah, let's have a look at the interior. Oh, what interior? So there's the stupid big spoiler that he just took off. There's no interior in this car, but there is one coming. This needs to go. We're getting standard ones. I'm nearly sure he's getting a black leather interior for us, so that should be nice. Sounds like a Golf. Yeah, the wheels are absolutely cat. So he's thinking of taking the wheels off the Civic and putting them onto the 300 as their cat. They actually look like an EP3 wheel, and these are an Evo 7 or 8 wheel. They'd be much nicer on the 300, I reckon. You'll have to fix them because nice curb marks. But yeah, they're a nicer wheel than the ones that are on the 300, and the ones that are on the 300 will suit the Civic better. But yeah, let's see if we can get these side skirts off and see what kind of damage is behind them. Just a load of self tappers holding this side skirt on. Oh, it's never a good sign when water comes out of side skirts like that when you take them off. It's only a few more to get off, so let's do it. So the side skirts are tiger sealed on, and we don't have a knife, so they won't be coming off yet. As you can see, all along there, underneath here and around here. Nightmare. Yeah, not too many holes. Just that one hole. Little bit of rust there, and then all along the side here, which isn't too bad. There's a nice puddle here, Aaron, if you want to get some cloths. And yeah, we'll run around the other side as well. That's all there is on this side anyway. There's this all up along the side. That's surface. Yeah, nothing now. We'll go around the other side and have a look. And over this side, just a hole there, and down there needs to be patched up.
What's that?
That's it. It's like an earth point or something, is it? So yeah, loads of wires to mess with. Overdrive. Old school Nissan shit is the best. The best shit ever. Yeah, the back seats look good. The boot looks good. Boot floor's immaculate. Like Aaron was saying, he went to look at one before and this was non-existent. It was really bad, but this is a really good one. Reversing camera. That's getting ripped out. Did they just cut a hole in that? Was that hole there for something or?
No, they just...
Gobshites. Yeah. It's looking promising. Down there and in there. Looks good. So, bodywork wise, the car is really clean. There is 2 dents in the bonnet. You can't even see them now. There's one here. There's one there. And then this one over here, just saying. This one is an outie, so they'll need a bit of body work. Side skirts are going to get mints taking them off. Yeah, the front bumper is bashed. Aaron's going to fix it with one of them classic welding machines. The 2 prongs, heat them up, stick them in, fix the front bumper, because it is an original Nissan bumper, so all the original lights. Yeah, and that's that. And then obviously this side skirt needs to come off. Hopefully there's no hidden treasures behind. Door handle needs to go back on, but yeah, the body work is like surprisingly good. That wing, not a dent in it, not a mark in it. That door as well, immaculate. Rear quarter panel immaculate. Then the other side is the same. This is clean, wing is clean, door is clean, other than a dent. Don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, you can see it right there. And then there's a tiny spot of rust right there. And then that door is mint other than the dent, and the quarter panel is immaculate. So, and the back bumper might need a few touch-ups. As you can see, there's a cracking in the paint. That will need to be redone. Back panel is good. That's probably going to have to get fixed because that's coming out. Yeah, you finally bought a car that's good-ish. Throw that in the bin. Shopping trolley. What the hell? So yeah, love the interior of them, even though there's none in this. Yeah, so after fighting with the bonnet for a minute, let's find the turbos. Where are they?
It doesn't have any.
Where the fuck did they put them? There's one. There's one in there somewhere. And I get the light on. There's one down there. You can see it there. You can just see the housing off it. Jesus, it's tight, man. I don't know why they done that. But that's it. V6 twin turbo, 3 litre. Runs a bit rough now, but once it's cleaned up and serviced, and are you gonna get the head done and all the gaskets? Take that shit off it and paint it. Whoever thought of doing that needs a slap, 100%. That is absolutely cat looking. It's ridiculous looking. So that's a must. That needs to be done. So yeah, that's it. 90s iconic supercar. Not so super now. Super holy. Jesus. Right, peace. Let's go watch the Civic. Gorgeous bimmer. Pass it all the time. Absolute immaculate. It's like a 735 CSI or whatever they are, CSI. Gorgeous car. Enough of looking at other people's cars. I don't have back to wash mine. Just heading over to the garage to grab a car wash ticket. So yeah, let's get this done. yeah, the Civic is nice and clean-ish. I don't really like them power washers around there. They don't do a great job, but do you know what? The car is clean. I did forget this shithead. I had to wash it with a cloth, so it might not be great. I will do it in a few more days. That sun is absolutely killing me, but the camera fell over and Callie was supposed to help me. My little camera lady was supposed to help me, but she was too busy in the car playing her games. So you can't blame her, she's just a kid. But I really need to give the wheels a good scrubbing over again. I'll let the tyres dry and I'll stick some tyre shine on them. But yeah, the car is relatively clean. It's better than it was. I just wanted to get all the heavy dirt off it. I usually when I do wash my cars, I let them dry and then I get my cleaner out, give it a good wipe over and clean the windows then, and I'll give the wheels a good scrub. But yeah, the interior is clean. I'll just get the keys out. Open it. I do need to give the interior a nice hoovering, but the interior is kind of clean. Fewer seats need to be hoovered, but yeah, there's not much else to clean on the Civic except for the wheels. The wheels really annoy me. The wheels hold so much dirt because they're silver. As you can see, you really need to get in there and scrub them really good. So I need to sort out my power washer. It's just not turning on. I might open it up and check what's wrong with it, but for now that is the Civic clean. And then this bad boy, during the week I'm going to take the back bumper off and put the other bumper that I have there on. It's literally, the back bumper doesn't have this and the reg plate will fit in it. It's a different fit. It's a different fit for the exhaust as well. It's a bit lower, and then I will be getting a lip on it. I'm taking these off because they keep rubbing on the wheels. That exhaust is good. I'm just going to cut that tip off and put a bigger one on it, make it look nice. And then side skirts are already on. I do have a front bumper there, so this one will be coming off as well. The new front bumper is completely different, so the car will be going to get either painted or wrapped. I'm thinking about the wrap, but I think paint would be much better because I can get the arches taken off, painted, make it look really nice. But yeah, this is getting built. I'm thinking about trying to get maybe a little eBay turbo kit for it and turbo in the car, see what it is. But I need to send it back in for the NCT and tax it so I can drive it on the road, because I like driving this all the time, but I need to start driving this and the Mini. So with the Mini, everything is donezo. Steering is working perfect. I need to do 4-wheel alignment and just get the tracking and the camber sorted, because it just pulls all over the place. As you can see, that wheel sits on an angle a bit. I might actually be able to fix that myself. I need to tow it in at the bottom, and maybe this wheel needs to come this way a bit, as this wheel looks like it's a bit better. But yeah, it just needs setting up. All the cars need a good setting up. Save for the Civic. The Civic drives great. It drives in a straight line when you put the foot down. I need to send my bumper in to get fixed. The lip there is absolutely scratched the shit on either side. But yeah, just clean them wheels, bleed the brakes manually again, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the Civic. The Civic is done. Like, I'm driving it every day. Wheels are absolutely manky, but get some tyre shine onto them bad boys and make it look even cleaner. So yeah guys, that's it for the end of this video. There's nothing much happening. It's like the day after New Year's Day. Nothing's really open, just garages and Costa. So I'm gonna fly down, grab a coffee, try and enjoy the day. I'm gonna start jumping on Amazon looking for bits and pieces for the Fiat build. I do have my link in the description for my PayPal if you want to donate anything towards the Fiat build. What I'm gonna do is I might do a thing where it's €10 to get your name on a vinyl piece for the car. All of it is going into the build, and whatever is left over goes to charity along with the sale of the vehicle. I will be doing a raffle for the car. I think I might do like 500 tickets at a tenner a ticket, but anyone that does donate €10 or more to the build does get in on the raffle as well. So there could be like 1,000 people to win the car, but it's all for a good cause. It's all for charity. Every single cent is going into the car and to charity, so the charity will not miss out on anything. I will not make anything from the build at all. I've already put thousands into the car with buying the wheels, the spacers, arches, bumpers, getting the car ready for the NCT, new exhaust, new suspension. It's cost me a fair few quid, but I don't mind. It's for charity. So my own money has gone into it, and any money that you can help me with to put into the build will greatly help, and I will be appreciated to any kind of money that does come in for us. So yeah guys, I really do appreciate it for watching the video. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think we should do with the Fiat livery style. Put up a comment, or in the community I'll put up a thing there for you to like, and suggestions, Instagram and TikTok as well, and Facebook. So yeah, appreciate it for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, keep up to date with the build. So peace out and be dedicated guys.